US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has told Congress that Hong Kong no longer merits special treatment under US law. That's come as Hong Kong police arrested hundreds of people protesting against proposed national security legislation. For more, China correspondent Bill Birtles joins us now from Beijing. Good morning, Bill. Can you talk us through the context behind this move out of the US?
Yeah, Lisa, Mike Pompeo, the Secretary of State, taking to Twitter to warn that Hong Kong no longer qualifies for the special trading arrangement that the United States has specifically with Hong Kong, as opposed from mainland China. He was saying that Hong Kong is no longer autonomous from China, given the facts on the ground, and the United States stands with the people of Hong Kong. Now, Lisa, this may be a rhetorical threat. This issue's been boiling for more than 6 months. Protesters in Hong Kong last year successfully urged the US government to pass a bill which threatened the special economic trading status of Hong Kong if the Chinese Communist Party up here in Beijing further eroded freedoms in the city. Now we have two different things going on. We had about 300 people arrested yesterday during protests over a new national anthem bill, which makes it a criminal offence to offend or disrespect China's national anthem in Hong Kong. But probably more importantly, today up here in Beijing, it's very likely the Chinese government will officially approve a plan to write up new national security laws to apply to Hong Kong. And many activists in that city believe that those laws will severely erode the freedoms and the legal autonomy that China's government promised residents of the city for 50 years after the British handover. So Mike Pompeo warning that the US thinks Hong Kong has already gone too far towards the, say, the legal system of mainland China. But you'll note, Lisa, in that tweet, no promise of any firm action.
Bill, just briefly, the coronavirus and the lockdown in Hong Kong put an end to the protests that we'd seen, or certainly the level of them. Now they're back out on the streets. Can you imagine it building up again to what we've seen previously?
Well, we saw yesterday, as I said, about 300 young people who weren't even necessarily protesting. They were detained or stopped and searched, some of them taken away on buses. It appears, Lisa, now the strategy of the Hong Kong government is to flood the streets with so many police from the outset on these contentious days that protests are nipped in the bud before they can even happen. And I saw one young 17-year-old protester in tears yesterday speaking to Hong Kong media, saying it feels like after more than 6 months of protesting, the movement hasn't achieved anything.
Bill, thank you for bringing us up to date on that.